I told you how much I hate bowling?
Yeah, well, the question we have today is Splitsville a good restaurant?
Oh wait, we're eating?
Yeah, we're not bowling. I can't bowl right now anyway.
I hate bowling.
Oh man, Disney! Look at these two, they have no idea what's going on. But they will tell you the truth.
So what I want to know is how close the alleys are to where we eat.
Good timing from the song as you walk in.
Roll in, rock out. Oh, I guess rock would be the bowling ball.
Go wait in the corner, Albert. Go wait. Everybody puts Oh Man Disney in the corner. If we get paying for copyright material of music playing.
I was thinking of that as we were walking up. I'm like, actually, as I was walking through there and thinking about Planet Hollywood, how we've never done there.
Well, remember we went there and they were blaring music. Albert doesn't like sitting next to me at restaurants.
You want to come over to this side?
I think this is fine, right?
This is fine.
Would you guys like to see us in the comments below? Would you like to see us sit like this or side by side? Albert can't eat anything on the menu.
That's not true. I'm gonna have chicken.
What about sushi?
I'm gonna have chicken.
What about sushi?
I want chicken.
Can you have buffalo chicken egg roll?
Yes.
Do that. I haven't even looked at the menu and it looks like there's 20,000 things on it.
It's all very good.
Right. You know, it'll be very interesting that you're getting chicken fried rice. You gotta leave it to the shot. You know, it's like that. And I'm gonna tell you what. Because no one in their right mind is gonna go, let's go to Splitsville and get some chicken fried rice.
Why not? Why not? It's the first thing under entrees.
So is sweet and spicy chicken bowl.
No, that's not how you read. You don't read right to left, you read left to right. So the first thing under entrees is chicken fried rice.
I mean, the West Texas burger sounds good. Smothered in barbecue sauce, melted cheddar, topped with bacon, frizzled onions, and mayo.
There you go. Ready to take flight.
So stupid. Makes no sense whatsoever. For now, we will sit here and talk about Disney. Albert, hey, I hear that they're closing down Buzz Lightyear at Magic Kingdom for almost a year to replace stuff.
No, I did not hear that. That is really interesting.
Hey, Albert.
Hey, Isaac.
Did you know they opened up a DVC lounge at the Magic Kingdom?
I did hear about that. I'm really excited about that.
Here we go. We got a Kona fries. Not a Kona, but a Kona fries. They're right here. They look like the fries from Raising Cane's, which I had yesterday. I was already eating them before I even film anything.
You just filmed
I
them.
didn't get the egg rolls. And we got buffalo chicken egg rolls, which look pretty good.
Really good. They're warm. They're not too crunchy. What is that sauce again?
It's like a chive sauce. You know, you think of home.
I need another bite of that. Yeah, that works. It's pretty good.
Worth the $15 or around what it was? Worth the $15?
Now it is.
Alright. Just okay. There's not much. Here, this one doesn't have it. There's not much buffalo flavor in that. Did you like the fries?
Not at all.
You know,
What did you do to our napkins?
you just did that when you
No,
when you did the cone.
I did?
Yes.
Oh, shoot.
Yes.
My bad.
Here comes our food. Look surprised. Oh, our food's here. Wow.
Oh, my goodness.
That's amazing.
That's
That's
definitely-
Fried rice, no bacon.
There you
And
go.
West Texas burger.
Thank you very much. You should just start eating whenever. Albert cares less about you guys and waiting for that first bite on camera.
It's good.
Oh man, what is happening? Albert just got up, was closing his
get it done?
Yes.
Okay. We need to look at your fried rice, by the way, before you start messing it up. And then here's my burger, so people can see how nice the burger looks. The burger is very well decorated.
Decorated.
It's a piece of art.
Yeah.
All right, fried rice. Yeah.
Fried rice. I don't typically get it because I like to eat other Asian dishes, but
Here we are.
here we are. Actually, the chicken's pretty good. And the rice is fried rice, which is always passable. So yeah.
Best burger on Disney property? Seasoned nicely. Medium well instead of medium. Not the best burger on property.
How many times
Maybe-
you answered this question?
Maybe a 7.2 on the burger scale. Chef's Homecoming is better. Steakhouse 71 is better. Off the top of my head. Tiffin's 7.2. Splitsville burger. They give you a lot of onions, so that's nice. Yeah, it's like good fried rice. But not like amazing fried rice. It's okay. Fried rice never had? You wanna know where I had it?
In Germany.
Cambodia.
No.
And two,
Shove it into the camera.
needs to be a little bit more medium. Yeah, as I was eating this food, it's
Yeah?
It's like, I feel like I'm eating a food at like Chili's.
That's a good call.
Right?
That's a good call. Yeah, it's a really good call, actually.
That's literally what is this? Want to go to Chili's?
The only thing is there's no baby back ribs on the menu.
Alright, Albert, our exit review on Splitsville. Would you eat here?
No!
Yeah, I would. There's so many other restaurants to pick from at Disney Springs.
Yeah,
This
a
is
lot.
why I guess it's empty in here.
I'm too cool for this place anyway.
That's literally what I had to reset this whole camera up for, everybody.
It's so